Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the 36 inches by 3600 inches brown Kraft Paper Roll, a must-have for all your creative and practical needs. This 300-foot roll of 70 GSM, 50 lb Kraft paper is perfect for everything from packing and shipping to crafting and decorating, providing you with an endless supply of durable, tear-resistant material that's both recyclable and reusable. Whether you're an artist, crafter, or DIY enthusiast, this smooth-surfaced paper is easy to cut and fold, making it ideal for sketching, painting, and even origami. Its unwaxed and uncoated finish ensures that your art won't fade over time, and it works seamlessly with a variety of materials like acrylics, oils, chalk, and markers, without any smearing or bleeding. The pure brown surface adds an effortlessly chic touch to any project or gift, making it perfect for special occasions like weddings, birthdays, and holidays such as Halloween and Christmas. Use it as a table runner, floor covering, or even as an alternative to foam and bubble wrap for protecting fragile items. So, whether you're wrapping gifts, creating wall art, or simply need a reliable packing solution, this Kraft Paper Roll is your go-to resource for endless creativity and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.